so here's the ClicBot full kit. It arrived this morning from China and has just wanted to share with you the unboxing of it. It's the full kit, as you can see. Has some nice images of what you can build on it at the back. At the side it has some nice features of it, talking about playing with it, and that. There we go. So let's have a look what's inside. Okay, so the box is very much like Apple design, kind of white and well made. It had a plastic seal on it, but I've already taken that off. So just to take the box off, it comes off very nicely, very tightly compact. Oh, and then the first thing we have is a message from Kickstarter that just says thanks very much for supporting ClicBot. And then as we look inside, we have the head and one of the joints on display, and a little bit of an introduction to what ClicBot will do. And then on the back we have some more descriptions about the ClicBot. Okay, so once we're inside, there's very nice packaging. It's kind of like the same type of thing you'd get with a photography box, and there's a joint, 4 joints, and some other bits and pieces which I'm not sure what they are, and I think some pads and accessories. Okay, then this comes out, and then there's a next layer down which says there's more. Okay, so in there's a whole host of goodies. Firstly, there's 4 of these. There's a handy kind of tab for the first one to pull them out because they are tight, a joint, and yeah, there's 4 of those. 2 and 4. And then we have these. These are skeletons. Okay, so again, there's 4 of those. And then we have 2 distance sensors. I don't know what they are yet, but that'll be fun to find out. And then we have 2 of these. These are smart foot. So obviously for working applications. Oh, and then there's more still. Alright, so I don't know what we have here now, but firstly we've got an empty piece of cardboard just as a spacer, and then in here we have a wheel. Okay, so it's quite a big box for the wheel, so obviously that's a major part. The next thing we have is a suction cup. Okay, yeah, that's very interesting. And then we have, I guess, another suction cup. Yeah. And then, last but not least, we have the grasper. Okay, so those are all the boxes are inside. And we'll start having a look at them in more detail and then come back later.